is.
I love it.
It's so
I'm gonna put
cute.
a coin there, and that there, and that there.
Wow, those are sturdy shelves too.
Ooh,
And these are painted, so they have the same color. Although this is not painted.
Oh, interesting.
That is
it'll be okay.
kind of an oversight.
That's
Well, I want to
strange.
put some
Is
stuff
it,
on the
is it
top.
maybe upside down or something?
No, it's not
Like-
painted on the bottom.
Oh yeah, you're right. But you put nails in all the sides. All the hardware was included?
Yep, even came with gloves.
Gloves.
I did not
want
use the
them.
gloves, but if you wanted to use the gloves.
Mine gloves.
They're mine.
Okay.
They're mine now.
Wow. That is so cute.
It's cute.
Well done.